Hi guys, Sam from uberdrivernow.com. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to use the Postmates Fleet App, which is a driver app. And this is the main screen. You're going to tab Go Online, and we're going to wait for an order. You're going to hit accept delivery. To accept the delivery, you're going to tap on navigate to get to the pickup location. You can see the details right here. So let's go ahead and navigate to the pickup location. So once you arrive at the pickup location, you're going to swipe up and see what the instructions are. So there's no payment required, so you're not going to have to use your Postmates card. And then there's some merchant notes. Basically they're pretty generic, but there might be specific ones to certain restaurants. And then you have the order at the bottom. So if you tap on the order, usually it will tell you what it actually is, but some merchants, I guess Panera Bread, does not show you exactly what it is. In either case, you're going to go to to Panera and ask them that you're here for a pickup, or tell them that you're here for a pickup. And then once you've received it, you're going to confirm order, and you're going to swipe to complete the pickup. Drop-off notes are leave at my door, so you can just leave at the door and then just ring the doorbell or knock on the door. So let's go ahead and tap continue, and we're going to tap navigate. Once you arrive at the drop-off location, you're going to swipe up. It's going to tell you some drop-off notes, if there are any. It says leave at my door, and you're going to have to take a photo because you're leaving this delivery. So when you leave at the front door, you're going to take a picture of the delivery, and that's going to be sent to Postmates. Hello, is this for you, Panera? Hello? Panera is for you, right?
Yes, let me give you this tweet right here.
Okay, I just gotta take a picture of the order. Just give me 1 second, I just gotta take a picture.
Make sure it's delivered?
Yeah, when you're leaving it at the door, that's what they ask. Okay, got it. Thank you. And once you take the picture, you're going to confirm order, and then you're going to swipe to complete. And there you have it, guys. So some of the orders are going to be different. They're going to require different instructions. Since this one was leaving at the door, we had to take a picture. But when you deliver it to someone physically, you don't have to take a picture. And then the other difference is when you're delivering alcohol, you have to scan the ID of the person that you're dropping it off to. So those are some of the different types of orders. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.